Watertight wall wrap must be fixed tightly, stretched with the printed side facing up to the exterior of all framing members. With stainless steel 6 to 8mm staples or 20mm large head hot dip galvanized clouts at maximum 300mm centers horizontally and vertically. Watertight wall wrap must be run horizontally and must extend from the upper side of the top plates to below the bottom plates on concrete slabs. Horizontal overlaps must be no less than 150mm wide, with the direction of the lap ensuring that water is shed to the outer face of the membrane. End overlaps must be made over framing and be no less than 150mm wide. Watertight wall underlay should be run over openings and left covered until windows and doors are ready to be installed. Additional fasteners should be used around each opening to be cut out. When windows and doors are ready for installation, cut on a 45-degree angle away from each corner of the opening, so the flaps can be folded into the opening and stapled to the interior face of the timber framing. Staple the corner molds into the sill and jamb junction of the frame. A length of watertight flashing tape must be cut to the length of the sill and 200mm up each jamb. When installing the tape, apply an even pressure with your hand or use a roller, making sure that no air bubbles remain under the flashing tape. Before installing watertight flashing tape, ensure the surfaces are clean, dry and free of any contaminants such as dust that may cause loss of adhesion. A 400mm length of watertight flashing tape must be installed 200mm down the jamb and 200mm along the lintel at each of the top corners of the window or door joinery opening. A 75mm wide and 150mm long length of watertight flashing tape must be installed at 45 degrees across the corner of the lintel jamb junction, overlapping the corner by 3mm to create a seal at the corner junction.